Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. We are kicking off another outfit of the day, what I wore video. It is Sunday morning. The sun is already out and it isn't even 8 a.m. yet. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to get into the mid 80s and yeah, everybody's ready to work. How about that? Even Zena. Wyatt is here too. I'm sure you'll see him throughout the course of this video. So for today, I chose a denim skirt from Seven for All Mankind that I got in a Trendsend last summer, I believe. And I paired it with a tank top. This is a sweater tank from the Loft that I just got this summer. For jewelry, I didn't put much on. I put on gold hoops my husband got me and a gold stretch bracelet that I actually got from Leah Sophia, and that's it. I've got tons of videos to do for you, and a couple of them are jewelry videos, so I decided not to put on a lot of jewelry today. For shoes, I have on my Dolce Vita Luster sandals, love these, and they're in the leopard. And that is it for today. So excited. I have not decided what I'm keeping for my JB style box yet that I showed yesterday. So I do still have to let you know about that one. I do have to decide soon. That was such a good one. Everybody really loved that collection. Carol did an awesome job. So more to come on that one. I will try to let you know, I'm hoping by tomorrow. All right. Hope your week is off to a fabulous start, and we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. What are you doing, buddy? Huh? You want to say hi to everybody? Zena likes to go back and forth from one side to the next, don't you, Z? All right, I can't believe it's Monday already. The weekend went by very, very quickly, but it's Monday. It is 75 degrees. It's going to be very hot today. It's going to get up to 90. And for today, I chose a tank by Michael Stars, came in a Trendsend. My jeans are cut from the cloth. I got it Evereve. This amazing wrap, love this, is by Saachi. I got it in a Wantable. And then I threw on my sandals from Camuto. These I got in a Trunk Club last year. Love the gold. And then I put on my gold jewelry. This is from my Rocksbox, my latest Rocksbox, this necklace. I love the tiered necklace and the ring. I love the palm leaf, right? My earrings or hoops you've seen many times from my husband. And my bracelets are also from Evereve. And that's everything. Today, my Trunk Club posted. It was a good one. Lots of still summer vibes going on. So let me know what you thought of that one. And we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. And Zena chose not to join me. Wyatt is here. Want to say hi? There he is. For today, I chose a casual outfit. I don't think I look too casual though from the top up, at least for my video calls. My top is a Stitch Fix top. Love this one. I tied it off to the side because it's really flowy on the bottom. And then I paired it with a pair of Agolde gray or black, kind of a gray tone, denim short. Put on my, you know it, I had to add color, right? My pink, I can't talk today, my pink Halogen slides. I've been in meetings all morning, so I can't get my brain to shift gears. And then my necklace and my bracelet are Michael Kors. I got them at Macy's several years ago. My ring is Leah Sophia, and my earrings are from White House Black Market from a long time ago. That's my outfit for today. How's everybody doing on Tuesday? Now the wind's kicking up. Hope you're all doing well. I need to go over my JB style box keepers with you. I did make that decision, so tomorrow we'll go over that. And I also decided on my Trunk Club, so we'll go over those keepers as well. Today I posted the most beautiful lily silk blouse. I also had a pillowcase and a bralette from them, which was amazing. I love all those pieces. You'll be shocked, so check out that video. Also shared some Stella and Dot jewelry with you. So hope you check it out, and we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, and I almost forgot to do outfit of the day because it has been one of those crazy days with no breaks, endless meetings, and just insanity. On top of all of that, our hot water heater broke last night, and I've had no shower this morning because I can't take a cold shower. My husband did it, but it was short. So I was like, if we can't get this fixed, I guess I'm bathing in the pool today. Just, you know, one of those crazy days. We all have them. It hit me today. But I'm getting outfit of the day. So for today, I chose a very easy one and done Michael Stars dress. Love this dress. It's a little bit like low for me on the side, so I put on a little bralette underneath it. And then I put on a pair of shoes from Steve Madden you guys have seen before. And my necklace is Rocksbox from my video that just posted today. Love this. I think I showed it earlier in the week too. I love this necklace. I'm playing with it now though. My earrings are just gold hoops. My ring is from the same Rocksbox collection. Love. Bracelets, the bigger ones are from Evereve. These little ones are from a boutique that I think I've mentioned before. It's where I go to get my facials done. And then we got a really bad storm on top of everything else. Today, temperatures dropped. It was like really hot, 86, 88, steaming hot. And then the storm came through, and now it is only, well, it feels cooler, but it's still 79. I did grab a wrap because I'm hoping to have dinner with Linda today. So I grabbed a wrap in case it cools down, plus for the air conditioning. And this is also from Michael Stars. It has all these pretty green colors in it, like dark and light. And I thought it'd be cute over top of this dress. So I grabbed that for over top. All right. And now I have a string I just found. I take a breath. I hope all of you are having a fabulous week. Wyatt is busy watching the repairman put in our new hot water heater. So he's not here. And I don't even know. Zena's probably hiding from all the commotion. But we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is a warm one, 84, it's supposed to get up to 93. It's right around lunchtime right now. It's really pretty right now. We've had rain all day yesterday. I didn't put my cushions back outside because it's supposed to rain again. So hence I'm inside. Zena is being obnoxious. Wyatt is going to sleep. Oh, we had a crisis yesterday with our hot water heater went. But we did finally get that resolved, so I was able to take a shower this morning, which was nice. It's never a dull moment, right? Never a dull moment. Do you hear her? So bad. She is so bad. All right, so I promised you a couple days ago I would share what I kept from my JB style box, and let's do that. I, of course, kept the belt. I kept the black tank because I loved that it was a V-neck. I liked that it was ribbed. It's a little bit thicker, so going into fall, I think it's going to be really nice. And yes, I kept both dresses, and I kept the bomber jacket, but you knew that, right? All right, so that was my JB style box. I wanted to keep the denim, but I couldn't because it wasn't my size, and they did not have my size. She said they were sold out in all of the Liverpool sizes. So she's going to look for me, though, and see if they get any more, and she'll let me know. So perfect. And then for my trunk club, the only thing I kept from that was this little blue CC top. I really liked this one. It's a nice t-shirt material. It'll be dressy for virtual calls when I need to dress up but don't really want to, if that makes sense. So it's a nice little casual comfy t-shirt with a little bit of a poof, right? All right, so that now you're all caught up because I think that's all the style boxes I've had for you since Saturday. Okay, for today's outfit, I have on my Spanx shorts I got in a Trendsend. Love these, so comfortable. And then I paired it with a top that I got super cheap at H&M. Love this little pattern. And then I put on a half cami that I got from Amazon, also super cheap. And my shoes I got in a Trendsend. Love these. They're more of a rose gold by Dolce Vita. And my jewelry is from Ana Luisa. So these pretty green earrings and the necklace. And then my ring is from Rocksbox. You've seen these bracelets before, and I think that is everything. All right, so I hope you are having a fabulous week. We'll be back tomorrow with the happy dance. Zena is so bad. Hey everybody, guess what day it is? It's Friday. Wyatt's so excited. It's time for the happy dance, isn't it? Yay, it's happy dance time. Zena, you want to do happy dance? Huh? It's happy dance time. What do you think? How's everybody doing? It is hot out here today for this Friday. It has been one heck of a week. 90 degrees out. It's been thunderstorming, lightning. Huh, Zena? You want to do happy dance? It's been crazy. Huh, Zena? Huh? It's happy dance time. Had to go to my parents last night. No sooner did we get there than did their power go out. Huh? You didn't go. You didn't go, huh? Zena's doing the happy dance. She didn't like that. It's been a crazy, crazy week. Hello. So today, my very first ever Wantable sleep and body edit posted, and it was fabulous. You need to stop by and check it out if you're interested in that at all. I was hesitant to try it because, you know, I'm thinking like lingerie, fancy sleepwear, and I don't need any of that because I'm not fancy. When I'm tired, I just want to go to sleep. But just like all their edits, you go through and you choose what you love, what you like, and what you dislike, and that determines what they send you and how much of it they send you, because you do get 7 items in each edit. You can get panties, bras, bralettes, pajamas, loungewear, basically robes. Like that's how it goes for the sleep and body edit. And of course I said I didn't want any. I disliked the lingerie, but I like panties and bralettes and definitely the loungewear. I got such a fabulous collection. It's really the first month thinking about keeping all 7. So I hope you stop by and check that one out. All right. For today's outfit, I am super casual because I'll be honest, I had an early morning meeting. I was exhausted and I realized I hadn't worn this chaser tank yet with the pretty heart on it, which I think is an exclusive Evereve tank, so from my Trendsend. And I paired it with a pair of my favorite cutoffs. These are from Free People that I got in a trunk club. And I have a sports bra on. This is one of the Beyond Yoga sports bras from Trendsend. I put on underneath it because it goes down a little bit low and I just didn't, it was comfy today. Put on my clear sandals from Dolce Vita from Nordstrom. And for jewelry, kept it simple, pair of hoop earrings that I think I got at White House Black Market quite some time ago. I have my pretty bracelet on from one of my amazing subscribers who made this. And my ring is Leah Sophia. And I think that's it for today. So I hope you're all doing fab, and we'll be back tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, final outfit of the day today. We got storms blew through here. It was crazy last night and everything was a tad wet. So I don't know if the sun's gonna come out today. It's looking like it's gonna be cloudy. 72, it is supposed to get up to 79. What do you think, Z? I got Zizi out of her bed. She doesn't look too happy, does she? Oh well, it's the weekend, we made it. It was a rough week for me back to work. It's been crazy. Work has been insane lately. All right, before I talk outfit, and before I forget, because I forgot yesterday, I wanted to tell you I've been eating my Splendid Spoon bowls, the smoothies, the shots. Love. Yesterday I had the Mexican tomato chili. So good. This is so good. And it's so filling. It's amazing. So want to make sure I follow back up with you. Hopefully you caught that video. All healthy, free of all the bad stuff. So, and it's already made. So you can buy on-demand boxes or you can do a subscription. Okay. I feel like there was something else I wanted to tell you, but I can't remember now. So let's talk outfits. I didn't have a lot of clothing boxes for you this week. I did a different kind of variety, so nothing else I need to follow up on box keepers, because I haven't decided about yesterday's box, which I posted my very first Wantable sleep and body edit, and I keep getting torn. I don't want to keep all 7. I feel like I need to just stick with the 5, and I'm struggling. Every day I decide something different. So I do have to decide soon, so I'll let you know in next week's What I Wore video. Okay. Outfit of the day today, I chose my BB Dakota dress for my Trendsend. Love this maxi dress, so pretty. I also wore it on vacation but didn't get a chance to capture it for you all, so I want to make sure I showed it to you. And I paired it with, why, they're going to get all excited here. Paired it with my Dolce Vita sandals that I got from Dolce Vita. Actually, I bought these from their site. Love these. And for jewelry, I have on my palm leaf earrings I got in a Rocksbox. My necklace is Loft. And my ring is Stella Dot. Yes. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. I will list all of my outfits down below. Many I got in boxes, so I'll put links to all the boxes down below. But if I can link to the exact item, I'll put that as well. Please do share your favorite outfit. Hit that subscribe before you go. It really does help my channel and helps me continue to bring you videos just like this one. And until next time, bye everybody.